Hello everyone and welcome back. It's Mats here. Today I'm going to show you a bit about my Amiga setup in the studio. So this is my Amiga setup in the studio. I'm using an Amiga 500. For those who want to know, it's motherboard revision 6A. I'm using Kickstart ROM 2.0. I actually have a kickstart switch inside between 1.3 and 2.0, but it's the 2.0 I actually use. As a hard drive solution, I'm using a A590 hard drive controller with a PCD50B card reader with a SCSI interface. It's a pretty nice solution and very quiet. So instead of using an actual hard drive, I'm using a compact flash card instead. As musical software, I use Protracker 1.3B. Actually, mostly because it gives me more memory to work with. The sound can be a bit different from today's music production, but it's fun. Like this, it doesn't sound very fun, but you can still do tunes with it. For example, this is only an example because you can know a variety of sounds with it. But here's one tune I made a lot of years ago. So there's a little info about my Amiga setup in the studio. Until next time, bye bye.